Pathway lights, you have your transformer, timer, and setup already installed outside, and you're looking for a different type of fixture from the companies of Varmtalys. They sell a single pack, 2-pack, and more found online. You get 3 parts to the product. You get the connectors, you get the fixture, and you get the stake. We're going to show you the product lit up outside, and this way you get an idea of the throw of the light. And we'll give a nice presentation of how this looks like lit up. We'll check this out in the evening hours. In the evening hours, the light's all lit up. As you can see, gives a nice glow. 12 volt, low voltage system. Put a whole bunch of path lights down, then you have a nice lit up area. Looking from above, down, and a shot this way. It is a 3-watt light, 3000 Kelvin, 110 lumens. It is IP65 rated with up to 4 feet of cable. The tips are soldered so they don't shred away, and they go into the connectors and your transformer and wiring unit. With the stake, you simply slide through and you rotate on. The unit measures 15 inches plus tall. There's a little hole so you can secure down your leads so they don't go anywhere and they stay secured. You can place the lights anywhere you like. As you can see, if it's on the ground, it throws a beautiful radius of light. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are after.